Is 8 minus 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 equals to 0? This division chain looks easy if you follow the order of operation, where division has higher priority over the subtraction. As mentioned before, we have division. That means that division has higher priority over subtraction, and we need to do it from left to right. So let's break it down as usual. We do first 8 divided by 8, which equals to 1. Then we have 1 divided by 8, which equals 1 over 8. Because we know what we have in the right side of the equation, we need to do the subtraction at the end. So what we have here, we have 8 minus 1/8. Because we have the denominator is 8, so we need to multiply 8 by 8. So we get 64 minus 1 over 8, which equals to 63 over 8, and this is equals to 7 over 8. So this is the right answer. But where people get wrong, so what in most of the cases people get wrong is they don't follow the order of operation, where division has priority over subtraction, so they do first the subtraction. In this case, what they do, they do first 8 minus 8, which equals to 0, and then of course 0 multiplied or divided by every other number equals to 0. So for all this equation they get 0. But of course you all know that is wrong, and the correct answer is this one. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. It will help a lot the channel. Ciao, ciao.